I had a lot of 4x4 chunks left over from taking apart pallets. I hated to throw them away or just burn them, so I decided to build a throwing knife and axe throwing target.
So I clamped the sides to kind of squeeze it in, and then I screwed that top board in place to hold the sides in place. I want the end grain 4x4s to kind of be held in place with friction.
I'm going to be doing the same thing on the bottom, using the clamps to hold the 2x4 in place and then screwing it into the side pieces.
Now I'm going to completely cover this with construction adhesive and then put some boards on the back and nail them on. I'm hoping the construction adhesive will help hold the 4x4 pieces together and help hold them in so that when we throw throwing knives at it and remove the throwing knives, that none of the 4x4 pieces get pulled out. I used some black spray paint I had laying around to put a target onto the front of it.
I placed it in the yard using a T-post and then secured it to the T-post using some baling wire. It took a couple tries before I got it to stick. Thanks for watching.